Electric furnace number 4 at PT Vale was originally constructed and commissioned in 1997-1998 and is scheduled to be shut down for a rebuild in the fourth quarter of 2020. This will be the first rebuild of electric furnace number 4. The furnace condition has recently deteriorated to the point where power input needs to be limited, which will result in production restrictions through to the point of its rebuild. The overall purpose of the rebuild project is to replace or refurbish all components that will not last a further 18 years and can only be worked on during an extended shutdown.
So we need to prevent it from twisting at the shell. That's your knife game. Right? And I'm gonna put a chain block here to pull that way. It's stuck. You might want to just like weld on the lever here.
Kemudian juga kalau ada APD penting tidak yakin paham apa media tambahan sedikit saja kok haram kucing di sini. Jangan juga. Nanti diadukan. Satu lagi, Pak, itu tangga kan ada tangga tuh di atas tuh. Iya, Pak. Itu gimana?
First, housekeeping. Yes, let's keep good housekeeping because this show our intention, our care to this. Number two, we have FMS every day in the morning. We go look for the data, very open to everybody. Let's be much open, transparent as we can with the whole team. Yes. And number three is behavior. We are the responsible to make this happen. We will let a legacy for this company, which will be the best shutdown ever done by PTVI. Thank you. local star. Kedua. Selamat. Tiga, dua, close. Close project. Sudah hijau kah? Perjuangan tantangan. Alhamdulillah.
Even though we invite a lot of contractor companies as well, from the Leighton, yeah. So a lot of support, operation team as well, safety team as well, maintenance team. Everybody care with us. Everybody care with us. They are stand behind us. Right? They are working together with us. They are running together with us. So appreciate for the team. Again, this is a good moment for us for the power on, but the journey is not finished. So again, remind you, the journey is not finished yet. We are still on the, still some scope to finish it. But again, I ask you to keep focus on safety and health. So I think that's for me. Thank you again. I think very important.
On us, I am really honored to be partner with you. That's it. Yeah. Thanks so much, Wafi, in the name of the group. A lot of professionalism on the team, Saturday night, every time, 24 hours, come with the solution. Every day a bunch of problems, every day a bunch of ideas. But the team building was excellent. So congratulations. I wish all the best fights.
I think, from my point of view, we must finish the project until the sponsor receive this project and they agree ending for operation. That's my message of the project. That this is not the end, but we should celebrate the milestone. So for me, and finally, I should say thank you, everyone. This is not only my legacy, but all of us. All the Vale employees, all the contractor employees, Beka, Truba, Leighton, Hedge, what else? And we have a 13 contractor. I cannot remember all. We have a 13 contractor. Okay, I think finish.